In front of me is LENOVO Tab K11E, and today I would like to show you how you can change this device's theme. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Personal Customization. Then tap on Allow All in the pop-up and select Theme section at the top right corner. Now wait for all of them to load, and when you find the perfect one, tap on it and wait. Last but not least, tap on the Apply button at the bottom and wait again. Now, when I go back, as you can see, theme of my Lenovo has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!